This is the visual where the Prime Minister, you can see on your screen, had reached the Bhumi Pujan site. A very, very strict protocol, ladies and gentlemen, have been applied here because of the coronavirus. The Prime Minister's cavalcade pulling in here at the Bhumi Pujan site. The Prime Minister would be seated on a separate stage. There are total 175 people, those who are present at this pandal. The Prime Minister would be on a separate stage with 5 people. That is the Prime Minister himself, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Governor of Uttar Pradesh, and also the head of the Ram Janmabhoomi Trust, and also the RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat. Very, very importantly, the Prime Minister, after, in fact, this entire ceremony, for 10 minutes, we are told, is going to also speak, and that would be a very, very interesting. Okay, let's go back, in fact, to Gaurav. There are these visuals coming in of the Prime Minister.
And there you see spectacular images of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Sashtang Dandavat. Truly historic. This is Prime Minister Narendra Modi praying to Ram Lala Virajman. This is for the Prime Minister and the BJP and for millions of Hindus, the culmination of a long struggle. The Prime Minister now praying before Ram Lala. This is where Ram Lala was born. This is the belief of millions and millions of Hindus across the world, that this is the point where Ram Lala was born. The Prime Minister now praying there. This is Abhishek of Ram Lala. This is the place, as some devotees were describing, this is virtually Ram Navami being celebrated, Deepavali being celebrated, as some others described it. Now Prime Minister Narendra Modi does an aarti of Lord Ram at the place where Ram Lala was born. Because of COVID times, the Prime Minister continues to wear his mask. This is conch shells being blown, mark of victory, mark of culmination of a long struggle. The Prime Minister will also now do a parikrama of Ram Lala Virajman. The Prime Minister goes around. This, of course, remains the makeshift temple. This is where the real temple will come ultimately. This is the temporary temple, but at least Ram Lala no longer is under a tent. There is a makeshift temple that has come. The Prime Minister has prayed there. And this is frankly the culmination of a very long struggle. Once again, the Prime Minister will donate some money. He does that secretly. That's the way it's supposed to be. The Prime Minister has now sat down for the Abhishek Puja.
मुख्यमंत्री महोदय और मोहन जी के बीच में माननीय राज्यपाल आनंदी बहन पटेल बैठी हैं।
मध्ये सायंत्रिका व्याजेन मार्गेण महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। नमो गुरुभ्यो गुरुपादुकाभ्यो नमः परेभ्यः परपादुकाभ्यः आचार्य सिद्धेश्वर पादुकाभ्यो नमो सुलक्ष्मीपति पादुकाभ्यः। यत्र यत्र रघुनाथ कीर्तनम् तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिम् वाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनम् मारुतिम् नमत राक्षसान्तकम् मारुतिम् नमत राक्षसान्तकम्। बोलिए राजा रामचंद्र जी भगवान की, महारानी जनक नंदनी श्री जानकी जी की, श्री अवध धाम की, श्री शरजू महारानी की, श्री राम जन्मभूमि की, श्री राम जन्मभूमि महामहोत्सव की, श्री हनुमान जी महाराज की, ग्राम देवता की, क्षेत्र देवता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की। हर हर महादेव। स्वागतम।
Tree at the Ram Janmabhoomi complex. The Parijat, incidentally, is also known as a jasmine tree, said to be Kalptaru. This tree is supposed to grant wishes, at least that is the belief. Okay. Various prayers that are going on. When prayers happen, you first wash your hands. Before you do an Achaman, you wash your hands, and this is the Achaman mantra that is happening at this point of time. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi, you take water in your hands. Before you drink that water, you're supposed to wash your hands, because you pray with clean hands, you pray with a clean mind. So in that Achaman mantra that is recited, you first clean your hands and then you put that water all around you. It's supposed to be considered auspicious. In Vedic mantras, you also pray for strength, for your eyes, for your nose, for your mouth, for your arms, to be a strong person, for your knees, and for well-being of the environment around you. That is how an initial prayer starts before the Havan starts, and that is considered extremely auspicious. So just now prayers are being carried out where Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the chief guest or the Yajman for these prayers. So once again the Prime Minister will take water, or will be given water in his hands.
अग्न आयो गोखि पवस आसुवोर्जमिखं जनः आरे बाधस्वदुच्छुनाम् पुनन्तु मा देवजनाः पुनन्तु मनसा धियः पुनन्तु विश्वभूतानि जातवेदः पुरेहिमा पवित्रेण पुरेहिमा शुक्रेण देवदीप्यता अग्ने क्रत्वा क्रतोरनु जत्ते पवित्रमर्चिक्षगिनेभ्युततमन्तरा ब्रह्मतेन पुनातु मा पवमानः सो अध्यनः पवित्रेण विचरे खडिः जः पोता स पुनातु मा उभाभ्यां देव सवितः पवित्रेण सवेन च मां पुनेः विश्वतः वैश्वदेवे पुरते देव्यागात् यस्यामि मा बहव्यस्तन्वो बीतपृष्ठाः कयामदन्तः सदमादेखुभयगुस्याम पतयोरयीणाम् ॐ चित्पतिर्मा पुनातु वाक्पतिर्मा पुनातु देवो मा सविता पुनातु त्वच्छिद्रेण पवित्रेण सूर्यस्य रश्मिभिः तस्य ते पवित्रपदे पवित्रपोतस्य जत्कामः पुनेतच्छकेयाम्। अपने ऊपर भी और पूजन सामग्री पर जल का सिंचन अपने ऊपर से जल का स्पर्श 3 बार जल का स्पर्श करना है आत्मन के निमित्त। ओम केशवाय नमः।
So this is the priest explaining the prayers to Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the Bhumi Pujan. This is a prayer where you pray to the holy deities. That's a prayer to Lord Narayan that's happening. Before that, the Prime Minister was given water in his hands for cleanliness, symbolically cleaning his hands. You do an achaman, which is take that water so that when you're reciting those prayers, your throat is not dry. Then there's a tilak which marks the beginning of the havan or of the prayer, and subsequently the prayers start, the Bhumi Pujan starts. Now Bhumi Pujan is you pray to the environment, you pray to Mother Earth for strength. The planting of a tree once again is symbolic of cleanliness, environment, and also Kalptaru is a religious tree which is supposed to fulfill all your wishes. Now prayers start with praying to Lord Ganesh. The first prayer is to Lord Ganesh. Let's listen in.
देखने के लिए लालायित रही, परंतु भारत माता को आप जैसे सुपुत्र के हाथ से ही यह काम संपन्न करवाना था। माता की बहुत बड़ी कृपा हुई, अद्भुत कृपा हुई। आज संपूर्ण विश्व धन्य है। भगवान श्री सीताराम अनंत अनंत ब्रह्मांड के नायक हैं। आज केवल मनुष्य ही प्रसन्न नहीं है, अनंत अनंत ब्रह्मांडों के अंतर्गत अनंत अनंत कोटि योनियों में रहने वाले जितने भी प्रकार के जीव हैं, आज सभी आह्लादित हो रहे हैं, सब प्रसन्न हो रहे हैं, सब भगवान श्री सीताराम की, श्री अवधधाम की जय जयकार कर रहे हैं, सब आपकी जय जयकार कर रहे हैं। सब भगवान से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि भगवान आपके अंदर में और अधिक शक्ति दें, अधिक से अधिक शक्ति प्रदान करें, जो आप सात्विकता का वातावरण सर्वत्र फैला दें, और देखते ही देखते अतिशीघ्र हम स्वयं राम राज्य का दर्शन करें। जय श्री राम।